Hello everyone, welcome back to the Science News with Supernova. I hope you are all doing well. I have some exciting news to share with you folks this week, so let's jump right into it. Our first piece of science news for the week is that the Schmidt Ocean Institute has discovered the longest living creature in the world. Discovered off the coast of Australia at a depth of about 630 feet, they found this long, large, spiral-like creature which was identified as a siphonophore apolemia. These creatures have been identified before, but never at this length. What they are is a cluster of tiny organisms that attach to themselves and clone themselves to become one large entity, and this one was observed at around 390 feet long. Also, they observed that its hunting behavior was unusual and it was organizing itself into a galaxy spiral-like formation rather than its usual curtain formation. Discoveries like this are mind-blowing because it just further proves that we really have not seen the majority of the life in the ocean. Our second piece of science news for the week is that French company Carbio has synthesized an enzyme that breaks down plastic into a recyclable form within hours. This is absolutely game-changing as it could solve the world's plastic pollution problem. They've already partnered with companies such as Pepsi and L'Oreal, and they plan on launching on an industrial scale by 2025. The enzyme works by achieving 90% depolymerization within just 10 hours. The newly formed monomers can then be turned into a variety of recycled plastic products, and this company is also already working on creating a compostable form of single-use plastics such as plastic wraps and bags. I love news like this, and I love seeing all of the new strides in green science and sustainability. Our final piece of science news for the week is that scientists have 3D printed a coral that grows more algae than the real one. In a collaboration between Cambridge University and the University of California, San Diego, scientists were able to print this coral using a biocompatible polymer and nanocrystals, which together mimic the skeleton of actual coral and help capture extra sunlight. The nanocrystals have the added benefit of directing more light to the algae, and in a test environment, they were able to boost algae growth by up to 100 times the normal rate. The team wants to use this creation to better understand coral bleaching and help mitigate its effects, which I am super excited about and I hope to see implemented on a large scale. That is all the science news I have for you folks this week. I hope you enjoyed all those pieces, and I hope to catch you back here next Friday for Science News with Supernova.